Stories are the lifeblood of humanity. Since time immemorial, we've gathered around flickering fires and hushed crowds to share tales. These narratives, whispered and sung, painted on cave walls and etched in ancient texts, connect us. They bridge the gaps between cultures, generations, and individual experiences. Stories have the power to transport us to different worlds, to make us laugh, cry, and tremble with fear. Most importantly, stories teach us about ourselves. They illuminate the human condition, reflecting our hopes, dreams, fears, and aspirations. Think about the impact of myths and legends passed down through generations. These timeless narratives, from the ancient Greeks to the Norse sagas, shape our understanding of heroism, morality, and the world around us. Consider the cultural touchstones of fairy tales. These seemingly simple stories, told and retold, impart valuable life lessons and explore universal themes of love, loss, and good versus evil. Stories possess an unmatched power to influence and inspire. They can spark revolutions, challenge societal norms, and shape the course of history. The stories we tell ourselves and each other define our reality. They shape our beliefs, values, and understanding of the world. By embracing the power of storytelling, we unlock a profound capacity for human connection, empathy, and growth. What makes a story truly unforgettable? It's a delicate alchemy of elements, carefully crafted and blended to create an immersive experience. At the heart of every great story lies a relatable character. This individual, flawed and multifaceted, becomes our guide through the narrative. We connect with their struggles, cheer for their triumphs, and learn from their mistakes. Relatable characters feel real. They resonate with our own experiences, making their journeys both compelling and meaningful. Conflict is the engine that drives a story forward. It creates tension, raises the stakes, and keeps the audience on the edge of their seats. A compelling conflict forces the characters to make difficult choices, confront their deepest fears, and ultimately, transform. Whether it's an internal struggle or an external battle, conflict fuels the narrative arc and keeps us engaged. Finally, every good story needs a satisfying resolution. This doesn't necessarily mean a happy ending, but it does require a sense of closure. The resolution ties together the threads of the narrative, answering lingering questions and leaving the audience with a sense of catharsis. A well-crafted resolution provides a sense of completion and allows us to reflect on the journey we've taken with the characters. While the basic elements of plot are essential, the true magic of storytelling lies in how the story is told. Emotion is the lifeblood of a compelling narrative. It's what makes us laugh, cry, and truly connect with the characters and their journeys. A skilled storyteller knows how to evoke genuine emotion in the audience, drawing us into the story's heart and leaving a lasting impact. Vulnerability is another crucial element of powerful storytelling. When storytellers and their characters allow themselves to be vulnerable, they create a space for genuine connection and empathy. By sharing their flaws, fears, and insecurities, they invite the audience to do the same, fostering a sense of shared humanity. Vulnerability makes stories relatable and allows us to see ourselves in the characters' experiences. Think about the power of a well-placed pause, a carefully chosen word, or a vividly described setting. These details breathe life into the narrative, immersing the audience in the story's world and evoking a visceral response. The way a story is told, with its rhythm, tone, and pacing, can be just as important as the plot itself. It's the difference between a story that fades from memory and one that stays with us long after we've finished reading or listening. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Do you have any good storytelling experiences? Please share in the comments below.